the US government is using my photo. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Boom, that's my image. Oh, there it is again. So apparently he loves this image. Welcome back everyone. So in today's video I want to answer the question of where are your stock photos being used? Or more specifically, where are my stock photos being used? So one of the beauty of stock photography is name recognition, spreading your name, getting your name out there. Your photos are used all over the world for a multitude of reasons, but it's often difficult to find out where those images are being used. The stock agencies seldom, if ever, tell you who exactly bought your image. And I'm sure that's for reasons, they probably don't want you going directly to the source and proposing image sales to them. At least that's what I think. But they often give you, like location information, such as it was sold in the United Kingdom or in Jamaica or, elsewhere in the US. But that's not nearly specific for us. We want to know who is using the image and where, what source, media. Is it in print? Is it on a book? Is it on a billboard? Is it on, is it in a TV commercial, etc. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Let's get down to the nitty gritty. All right, so as you can see right here, I have one of my photos being used on Tom's Guide. It's a fairly popular website, so it's pretty cool to see my image here. Now, there are different ways of finding out where your images are being used. There's add-ons that you can put onto like Google Chrome or Firefox, Opera, other browsers. But I'm not going to talk about any of those add-ons. I don't want to use any add-ons. I want to use methods that are generic and can be used on mobile phones or anywhere. All right, so let's first get into the first method. All right, so you want to go to one of your images. So I'm going to go to Shutterstock and I'm going to type Fitbit. And this is one of my images here. This is also one. And this is another. Anyways, let's first click on the first one. And let's see. And we're going to click on it again to bring up the image itself. And from here, you can right click the image and go to, where is it? Copy image address. And then we're going to go over to google.com and we're going to click on images and click on this little camera icon and we're going to paste the image link and then just hit search. And as you can see on the right here, Google will bring up places that it thinks your images are being used. And let's see. Yeah, so here's one, TechSpot. If we were to click on it, scroll down, you can see there, it's the image, that's my image. Let's go back, let's click on another one and scroll down, and there again, it's right there. So yeah, this is one way of searching for images, but it's very specific. You have to have the image you want to search for in mind and then search for it. But what if you want to know, just in general where your images are being used? You don't want to search for a particular image. You just want to know where some of your images are. Well, the second method I have will tell you just that. For this one, however, you will need your username for your stock, for the stock agency you contribute to. That's not hard to find, right? Okay, so then we're gonna go to Google again. You gotta love Google. All right, so once you have your username, you're gonna basically you're gonna do quotation marks, because this quotation marks will tell Google that you want to search exactly for this text. You don't want anything else. You want just this text. So you're gonna type your username. So on Shutterstock, a lot of my photos will come up as, my name. And then So after you put your username, you're gonna put slash and Shutterstock, for example, and then we hit search. All right, so as you can see, this brings up a fair bit of results, and these are all the places that somehow mentions my name and Shutterstock. So let's click on one of them. And okay, so here we go. So here's one of my images. And as you can see, they gave credit. What you will find is using that method, it will be website that give you credit for the image. So let's search for another one. Let's see, Headspace. And here we go. That's one of my photos. Pretty cool. And here's another one. This is a very popular image, by the way. Yeah, as you can see, they give credit here. But yeah, as you can see, using this method, you can find a lot of different variety of your images, not just a specific one. But using the other method, if you want to search for a specific image, you can do so. Let's type something else. Okay, so slash Adobe. Okay, let's see. Here I am on some form of PDF document talking about farming, and okay. Yeah, that's cool. I just showed this image in a stock earnings review I just did recently. Okay, nice. I love this photo. Yeah, you can see my thing there. Let's scroll through to see if they have any more of my images. This was an all digital image. Yeah, so there's nothing real about it. I created this in Illustrator a while back. All right, let's go back to Google. /EyeEym. And yeah, you can see these are all of my images. And if we were to click on this one, let's see. Oh, it brings me to the Getty. Yeah, so this is through the partner collection on EyeEym. Let's see this one here. There we go. Yeah, you can see it says it there. And yeah, look at that. That's one of my images. So nice. Yeah, so I love using that method because it's always a surprise of what image you're gonna see show up. But I have some interesting places that are also using my images. So first, I wanna click on this one. The US government is using my photo. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So let's see, what agency is this? This is the US Government Accountability Office, and it's using that famous image. So pretty cool, pretty cool. Let's see. TechSpot, Forbes. Forbes is using one of my photos. You can see it here, and I also have the link to that image on Shutterstock. There it is. Let's see, I also wanted to show you these ones here. So yeah, there's this doctor on YouTube that's using a couple of my images. So in his most recent video that he did. In the thumbnail, he has one of my photos. So this one, it's a fairly popular photo as well on Shutterstock. You can see it here. Yeah, high usage. And then I scroll down and there it is again. So apparently he loves this image. Let's see, there was another one that he used. Come on. Oh, there we go. So this one here is another one of my photos. And it's this one over here. Is it that one? Let's see. No, it's not this one, but it's you know what? I think it's actually this one. Yeah, it's definitely that one. Okay. But anyways, that's pretty cool. Speaking of YouTube, I was watching one of Pix and Perfect's video not too long ago, and to my surprise,
it's not possible. So many high key elements. Have a look at this one. You can never turn this.
Boom, that's my image.
So know your limits.
So thank you Unmesh for that moment of fame. So that's pretty cool. And the image, you can see it here on my Envato account. And there. You can see this is the image. And yes, I know for some reason black and white is all one word. But anyways, it made for easy finding of that photo. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So, you know, it's just really awesome to see where your images are being used, and that your name is out there. If you want your name to be out there, you can always use an alias for your stock photography name. But anyways, thank you guys. I hope you found that somewhat entertaining or somewhat useful. If you did, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Until next time, have a good one.